Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on BA Boeing. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from, and the levels that I talked about played out beautifully. In fact, that green line right there at 128.85, 129, talked about that as support. So the opening 30 minutes, you can see the price broke below there and just totally collapsed. I mean, we're talking about basically about a 4-point move in the opening 30 minutes. I made good money on it. I screwed up the trade. I shoulda, coulda, woulda made a lot more on it. But nonetheless, congratulations to all of you that took that trade. But to also give credit's due, the price from those lows bounced back very nicely. And all of a sudden, after hours, Boeing, I think they just had a news release about their South Carolina plant. Some sort of news came out. So yeah, there's been a little bit of a bounce up from here. But still the main level to watch going forward, which was confirmed right up here at right around the 131 mark. Again, talked about this as a resistance in Friday's video, but that played out once again to be an area of resistance. So on this big bounce here that occurred, look right where the bounce essentially stopped, right at that red line. And then again in the afternoon, another bounce, and look right where it stopped. So a whole lot of people are going to be watching 131 and call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. When a lot of people are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, that can definitely create some big upside movements. And 131 is definitely going to be that level that, again, a whole bunch of people will be watching. I'm very curious still about this level right around 128.85. Price closed slightly below it, but within the ballpark to wonder if the price does pull back more. Then I'd be very curious to see if the price drops down to the 127 mark. How would it react around those levels? But in my mind right now, looking like 131 is going to be that main level that will probably matter most going into Tuesday. But then again, it is Boeing, and who knows what will happen from now until the open on Tuesday. But as of now, these are going to be the technical levels that I'm watching. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.